Hi dear viewers, welcome to our class today. My dear friends, today I am just coming with a wonderful topic which just gives us 5 marks, 5 out of 5, that is nothing but notice. So notice from 6th to 10th classes, even in 11 and 12th classes in a NTA, what is that national syllabus like CBSE, you can see notice writing. So, first of all, what is notice and all these things let us discuss. What is a notice? What is a notice? As you know already, you know somewhat, but let me explain you. A notice is a written or printed news announcement or information. A notice may contain news, information about something that has happened or is likely to happen. Okay, it may be announcement of public importance, or let me drag my photo, or an advance warning meant for compliance and information. A notice can be about a meeting, about an event, or about an excursion, or a historical trip, or a picnic, or lost and found, change of name, address, uniform, timings, venue, and so on. There are a lot more things. Whenever you see a newspaper in English, you will see so many notices, so many announcements. So, especially most of the notices can be seen in the offices, in the notice board. I have a question for you. Is there a notice board in your school? Well done. Did you write any notice and just paste it on the notice board or pin it to the notice board? Okay, no problem. Now you can write a notice. After listening to my video, after completion of this class, my dear students and my dear friends, you will be able to write a notice wonderfully. Now you are able to understand what is a notice. Notice is a printed or written news announcement or some information we are giving. Notice may contain news or some information, something that has happened or is likely to happen. Something happened, okay, that is also can be in the notice board. Or what is going to happen tomorrow, it may also be in the notice board. It may be a formal announcement. My dear friends, in shortcoming videos, I will tell you what is a formal language, what is informal language. In forthcoming videos, I will explain you formal, informal languages. Formal announcement. Formal means which is a necessary one. Formalities, which follows formalities of public importance or an advance warning meant for compliance and information, means for some complicated things and information. A notice can be about so many things. About a meeting, for example, my dear friends, tomorrow there is a meeting at 12:30. You are announced to meet at the so and so event. An event, for example, there is an event. So then we can say for a marriage. So we can send a notice. An excursion. This is to inform all the students of 9th and 10th classes. There is an excursion tour from tomorrow and day after tomorrow, from tomorrow to day after tomorrow. Please do participate without fail, they may say. Historical trip for the students who are studying history background, students like BA or something like a HEC in intermediate. Maybe those who are interested in historical trips, they can just go for historical trips. Picnic, this is quite naturally happens in this November month, but actually because of this pandemic, no picnics at all. Okay, picnic notice. This is to inform all the students from 6th to 10th classes. So there is a picnic on so and so date, on so and so venue, on so and so time, from so and so. So you have to participate in this picnic without fail. And there is any misbehavior in the picnic, so it could be a punishable. And these are the in charges you have to meet, and so we will write. Lost and found. For example, you lost something. For example, you lost your bike. You may just write a notice in the newspaper. You found something. After completion of losing, you found it. You may just paste it in the newspaper. Sometimes I see name changes. For example, Radha Krishna, RADHA. Instead, he wants to change RADA, Radha Krishna. So he just gives a notice in the newspaper, especially in the national newspaper, 1 or 2 days, then he just goes to the court with the affidavit. Then the court will change his names and so on. The first class magistrate will change. Address changing also. Address change. For example, you are just shifting your shop from this where to that where. So there you just you can give a notice. Uniform. So for example, the student have to come in uniform. In any timing changes, venue changes, and so on, you have to write a notice. Let us see next picture. Let us see what is the purpose of notice. Let us see why notice is in purpose, aim. Who are the targeted people? Notices are effective means of disseminating. Disseminating means spreading information related to different issues or occasions. Okay, different occasions, different issues. They reach to the large number of persons in a short time. Hence, a notice is written in a simple and formal language. It is clear, it is brief, and to the point. Okay, there is no trash here we can see in the notice writing. So notice, the purpose of notice is to spread information related to the concerned, what we can say, the topic which we are just going to deal. For example, you are changing the address. So there you can just paste a notice and just send it to the newspaper, then automatically your address will be changed. They reach to the large number of persons. Who are they? They are nothing but notices. Notices reach to large number of persons in a short time. Hence, a notice is written in the simple and also in a formal language. Nobody should be hurt on reading the news, or we can say notice. That's why just it is written in a simple language. It should be clear, it should be brief, and it should be to the point, not any trash. Okay, display. Where to display? All the notices are mostly displayed in schools, colleges, notice boards. School, college notice boards are the main source for the display. Where to display? And then you will see all the notices in newspapers and magazines. And where else? In public boards. In public notice boards. Public notice boards like Panchayati office notice board, municipality office notice board, what we can say Me Seva notice board. Even sometimes where public gatherings will take place, like marketplace, there also will be some notice boards which are displaying all these things. Okay, now let us go to next page. Main characteristics of the notice. What is a notice and why we should write the notice? All these things we have studied. Now, what are the characteristics of the notice? So this is very crucial one. Format is very important one. Then next comes to content. What is the matter there? And expression, how it is expressed. So all these are very mandatory in a for what is that in a notice. It is included the word notice, date, heading, writer's name, and designation. What is a designation? Yes, you are right. Designation means yes, MRO, MP, MLA, like that. That is called designation, headmaster, and so on. Okay, what is a qualification? Qualification is nothing but MA, okay, BA, BSc, MSc, okay, right, like that. The MS, all these things are qualifications. Before designations and qualifications, we use what? A or an article. So when we pronounce, for example, MA, an MA, MLA, is an MLA, like that. Okay, do you understand? PRO, that is something we can say abbreviated word. Forget about that one. Come again to the notice writing format. It includes the word notice. There should be notice. Date also should be there. Heading, writer's name, and designation should be mentioned in the format. Format is nothing but you can understand. Notice is there. Date, heading, what is the title of that one, and also designation. Content, it must answer the questions what, when, where, how. These are the questions have to be asked. It should be clear. It should be to the point, nothing else. Expression, it related to, yes, overall It relates to overall organization and relevance of the content, as well as grammatical accuracy and fluency is mandatory. Grammatical accuracy and fluency. Syntactical errors should not be crept into the notice. Okay, grammatical errors should not be. They should be edited in the when you are writing. Okay, when your writing session goes on, you should maintain this fluency and accuracy without any flaws. Flawless English. Okay, format, content, expression. These are the things which you should maintain. Let us go to next page. Notices for school and college notice boards. Remember, when you are writing a notice, these are the things you should remember. It must contain complete information. Whatever the topic you are going to, even you should give sometimes your contact number. Okay, the order of the presentation should be clear. Presentation should be clear, should be exactly clear. Okay, the state the purpose of notice clearly. What is the purpose of the notice? It should be mentioned. Content should include all necessary information. For example, for a meeting, for the time, venue, date, agenda. Agenda also should be discussed in this content matter. Use impersonal language, not a personal language like I, you, first person, second person should not be used at all. Instead, better use third person. Personal, impersonal, personal, impersonal. Okay, do you understand? First person, second person, but third person, that is different one. So, give the designation of the writer just below the signature. Okay, designation should be below the signature. I will show you something like that. The date of the writing notice is generally put at the top only. Maybe right side, maybe on the left side. When you are writing with the computer, most people write here this side only. Okay, left side only. But the person who are writing manually, they will write date, place, and signature, all these things at the left side. Where this side, you will see all these things. Okay, observe the word limit. Observe the word limit. Word limit is mandatory. For example, if you write trash, you will get such a big page, 2 or 3 pages. It is not necessary. If you exceed it, you will get negative marks. So, negative marks are actually not here in our state syllabus, but all these negative marks are there in a CBSE syllabus. So, even we should maintain, we should know even for CBSE syllabus. That's why I am telling you there are even negative marks for especially when you are writing this notice. Let us go with some examples. Before that, let me explain you. One question is here. For this question, we will answer. You are Pradeep. Who are you? You are Pradeep or Asha. Think like that. As a president of the dramatic drama club of your school. Okay, you have organized an inter-school competition. There is a competition among your school in one act place on the occasion of the silver jubilee celebrations of your school. Okay, there is a silver jubilee. You know what is silver jubilee is. Write a notice and about 50 words informing the students of your school about this proposed event. There is a proposed event. It is already explained. You already know that one. So as a drama club member, as a drama club president, you are maybe Pradeep, you are maybe Asha, no problem. But you are the president of drama club. Okay, now it is your turn. Now it is your opportunity to write what? Yes, a notice. Let us see one example how Pradeep or Asha wrote. Look at this one. Drama club. My dear friends, drama club is there. Drama club, okay. School indoor. What is the school? Scindia School Indoor. There is a date also here. It may be written this side also. Okay. Date may be. Just I will take a pencil here. Okay. Somebody will write here what date. No problem. Notice. So all these will come under title. And what are the marks allotted for title? What are the marks for date and venue? All these things I will tell you. On the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebrations of the school, the dramatic club has organized an inter-school competition. An inter-school competition in one act place as for details given below. The details are given here. Date 30th August so and so, venue Ashoka Auditorium, time is mentioned here, participants maximum 7 in a team, last date for the receipt of entry forms 25th August, so and so date is also mentioned here. Clear details are given. Look at this one, Pradeep and Asha. It should be actually, here should be signature. Okay, like that signature should be here. Pradeep, President, Dramatic Club. What is that? Sinda School Indoor. They may write here their school name also. Drama. Okay, so don't worry even if you don't understand this. What is this? This notice. We will see so many notices with regard to notice writing. Okay, I will explain you so many notices. I will come with wonderful examples. Let us see how to write a notice and how not to write a notice and what to write, what not to write, all these things. Let us see. Look at this one. Don't look at the question. Let us go for the question later on. First, let me get explanation. National Public School, Bilaspur. Name of the school, organization, place has to be written. Then notice. This is a title. Inter-School Cultural Festa. Okay. Inter-School Cultural Fest. Okay, title this is. Look at this one. Name of the school, notice, title. Then date has to be mentioned. Then it is a very mandatory one, that is nothing but, what is that? Body. Body of the message. And then name of the authorized signatory. Who is the so and so person is a name or signature can be. Okay, signatory person name and above that one signature. In charge cultural committee, National Public School, Bilaspur. It has to be written. Now you understand, my dear students, my dear friends. Look at this border. Border is given here. Look at this. Border is given. Yes, you are able to understand how the border is drawn. Border is drawn here. Okay. So you also should draw the border clearly. My drawing is not so good. Okay. Draw the border. Circle. And you may just encircle like this. Okay. What is here? National Public School, Bilaspur. You may write with a different font or capital letters something, or when you are writing in the school, you may use some different colored pens, something like that. But in the examination point of view, it is not necessary, because those papers may spoil, may take time to be correction, so that no need to write in a different sketch pens, markers, color pens like that. So just do like this. Okay, look at the question once. Okay, you are Rekha. Who are you? Rekha or Rahul, the in charge of the cultural committee of the National Public School, Bilaspur. What is your school name? Right, you are right. National Public School, Bilaspur. You have been asked to notify the students of your school about the Inter-School Cultural Fest. Write a notice in 50 or 60 words, including relevant details from the letter your principal received recently. Your principal has received a letter and he has handed over to you, and you have to read that letter, and what you have to do is you have to prepare a notice. Okay, look at the body of the message. Notice. An inter-school cultural festa is going to be organized in the Hill Mount School on 26 February 2012. The events include competitions in the field of music, in the field of dance, in the field of dramatics. Winners will be awarded with an attractive prizes. Students interested in participating may get what? Their names registered with the what is that? Registered with the undersigned latest by 22nd February 2012. Here only matter is given, no trash is here. An inter-school cultural fest is going to be organized. What is going to be organized? Yes, the program is going to be organized. Where? In the Hill Mount School. What is the name of the school actually? National Public School. So Hill Mount Public School, Hill Mount National Public School on 26th so and so. The event include what does it include? Competitions. What are those competitions? Very good. Music, dance and drama competitions are there. Winners. What will be there for winners? Winners will be awarded with an attractive prizes. What are those prizes? Attractive prizes. Nobody knows. They may give laptops. Okay. Students interested in participating may get their names registered with the undersigned latest by 22nd February 2012. Whether you get the prize or not, you have to participate in the competitions because you have to show to the world who you are, what are the talents. They will come out at the time of programs only. So look at this one. Look at this one. Rekha, in charge, cultural committee. On the name of the Rekha, you may write signature like this. Okay. Oh, this signature really wonderful. Huh? I don't think so. It is a Rekha signature. Okay. Do you understand how to write the notice? Let me go. Let me show you one more example so that you can get access to yes, notice writing. Okay. Let us see. It is also mentioned what are the marks going to be awarded, how you are going to get the marks, scheme of valuation, all these things are given here. Look at this one. Name of the organization, institution. Name of the organization, institution, office, issuing notice will be given 1 mark. Okay. My dear friends, do you understand? Here it is written. St. Xavier Public School, New Delhi. New Delhi is not there, only Delhi. Then just write the notice, the word notice. It is written in capital letters. Don't forget. Okay. Bold letters it is written. For this one and as well as for the date. Date is written this side. Most probably sometimes they will write here only. So for these two things 1 mark is awarded. Okay. And let us see name. What is this? Name. Then designation. Okay. Designation of the person issuing the notice. Who is this person? Vandita. What is his designation? Cultural secretary. Here he may sign. Okay. Okay or not? For this one, 1 mark is here. How many marks are here? 1 mark is here. Do you understand, my dear friends? Let us go and see here. This is with the 2 marks. What is this? In this space, write the contents of the notice. What you have to write? Content, matter, body of the notice. How many marks are allotted for body of the notice? 2 marks. Those 2 marks will be with so many problems like accuracy in English, no excess words, and this should be with the 50 or 60 words like that only. So this will give all these things like 2 marks. Look at this one. How you are going to get 2 marks. Inter-school fancy dress competition. For this one, yes, heading of the subject also given here. Heading of the subject. What is the heading? Inter-school fancy dress competition. Oh, fancy show. Okay, fashion show somebody may call. An inter-school fancy dress competition is being organized on 12th February at Tagore Theatre. Those willing to take part in the items which our school will be presenting should come for a selection on February 1st at 12:30 p.m. in the assembly hall. What is that assembly hall? Most people will call assembly hall is nothing but prayer hall, auditorium, something like that. Okay. Only class 6 to 12th students are eligible. No outers are allowed. Okay. Only 6th to 12th class students. Not for any other students. My dear friends, this is no doubt, this comes with the NCERT books and also it is there in the CBSE syllabus for even for 12th class students. Okay. Dress should be arranged by the participant. No dresses will be given. Okay. Personally, you have to arrange your dresses. This is the notice. I am not just going to give you the gist of the notice, but I am going to tell you the scheme of valuation, how the marks are going to be awarded. This one 1 mark, and for this notice heading and the date here is for 1 mark, and for this inter-school fancy dress competition will come under this one only. For this 1 mark. Title carries 1 mark, and body of the notice takes 2 marks, and for this salutation like taking leave, signature and so on will take 1 more mark. My dear friends, 5 marks. If you write briefly, if you write neatly, you will get 5 out of 5. Let us see some examples of notice writing. Okay, shall we see? Okay, let us see. Look at this one. Here is an example. LV Shegal English School, Roorkee. Notice student exchange program. For this one, up to from here to, yes, you are right. From here to here, you will get 1 mark. Okay. Yes or no? Date and for this one, you will get 1 more mark. For this body, you will get 2 marks. For Geeta, for this one, coordinator, senior secretary section, for this one, 1 mark. Okay, do you understand? Let us see this notice. The school has planned a student exchange program wherein students of Lenin Memorial High School, Russia would be attending classes in our school. The program will be conducted from 15th to 20th May 2020. The visitors will stay with our students at their own homes. Interested students may contact the undersigned. Who is this undersigned? Coordinator. Who is this coordinator? Senior secondary section coordinator. What is the name of that one? Geeta Gangwani. Geeta Gangwani is the coordinator. It should be signed there, but sign is not the matter. Is not necessary also, because it is a written notice. Okay, the school has planned a student exchange program. Students are exchanged. I don't know, this happens especially in like so-called wonderful schools, but not in our schools. We don't see all these things. It is possible in international schools where students of the Lenin Memorial High School, Russia would be attending classes in our school. They are coming to attend this school, where this school is in Roorkee. They are attending here. The program will be conducted from 15th to 20th May, 5 days. The visitors will stay with our students at their homes. The visitors will come to our school and they will come to your house along with you. Okay, interested students may contact the undersigned. Those who are interested to welcome the foreigners, okay, welcome the foreign students, may contact who? Geeta Gangwani. This is a wonderful notice. Okay, let us go and see one more notice. Aravinda School. Aravinda School. No, don't see Aravinda Sameta. Don't go for the movie. Okay. Aravinda School. What is that? Dehradun notice. The notice name is not mentioned here, so you can write the notice. 7th July 2020. All the students will be pleased to know that our school is organizing a 5-day tour of Rajasthan as per details given below. Look at this one. The matter is very clear, very straightforward. Classes 6th to 9th. Date of departure 22nd, date of arrival 26th. Those who are interested may deposit 3,000 rupees per head. Per head. Look at this one. For a head. Instead, here it is written per head. Per, you can write like this. For a head. Instead, you can write per head. The cost is inclusive of sightseeing, boarding and lodging at not 5-star, only 3-star hotels. Please do so by 12th July. If you are interested, pay those 3,000 rupees and talk to the in charge. Who is that in charge? Rama, head girl. She is the in charge. You may just meet her so that you may go to, what is that? Rajasthan tour. My dear friends, this is a very simple notice. It has to be bordered actually. Layout, all these things should be there, but it is not given here. Okay, let us go and see one more notice. Okay, shall we see? Look at this one. St. James School, Lucknow. Date, notice, be a part of school magazine. Actually, notice also should be here, but it is written there. But you can understand this is the title, date, and so on. The school magazine Sayong is prepared. The undersigned invite the name of those who would like to give their articles, stories, cartoons, etc. for the magazine. Look at this one. They are maintaining a school magazine. They are welcoming, be a part of school magazine. The names must reach the undersigned by 30th September. Who is the undersigned one? The student editor, Jim. Jim. Whenever I remember the Jim Corbett, I remember. Student editor, school magazine. He's the editor. So, what a wonderful thing. This school is running a magazine, and the editor is student itself, not the teacher. It is not run by the teachers. So, really, I feel very proud to run a magazine. I also saw recently one of the government schools had run magazine, but due to this pandemic situation, they stopped all these things. But after school starting, they may start again in our very nearby vicinity. Okay, look at the next notice. ABC International School, Pune. Why I am just giving so many examples means you can easily understand how to write the notice is very important one. How you are writing is entirely different, but how you have to write is very important. This one is a title, and this one is a date. For this one is a notice. For these three titles and the date, you are having 2 marks. Yes or no? Okay, all the students are hereby informed. Look at this one. All the students are hereby informed. They are all informed that our school is going to publish a annual magazine next month. Annual magazine. They publish magazine yearly. Students who wish to contribute can submit their entries to their respective class. Submit contribution means they are not asking money. They are asking your articles, your cartoons. Okay, do you understand? That's it. Not your money. Okay, if you are interested, you may. Okay, submit their entries to their respective class teachers by 20th July to 2020 till 10 a.m. While creating the write-ups, the following points are to be noted. If you are writing a writing articles, then you have to follow these points. It should include poems. Oh, if you are interested in writing poems, essays, stories, travelogues, riddles, and paintings, oh, you are the person who are going to get the prizes, or you are going to be in the school magazine. It should be legally written, legibly, legally, it is right one. Legibly, it means you should write loyally. Okay, it should be your own. Medium of write-up can be either in English or Hindi, or you may add Telugu also. Okay, for further queries, for further any doubts, you can get in touch with the undersigned. Looking forward to your active cooperation, Nikhil or Pradeep. Pradeep. Okay, Prapti. Head boy, head girl. These two are the in charge of this program. For this one, there is 1 mark. For total this one, what is this one? Body of the notice, 2 marks. And for this title as well as date and so on layout, you are having 2 marks. Okay, do you understand? 2 marks here, 2 marks here, and 1 mark is here. Total 5 marks. Okay, if you write neatly, you will get 5 out of 5 marks. Let us go and see one more. Here is a question as well as the answer. You are, who are you? You are, who are you? You are president of cultural society of your school. You are planning to organize a cultural program. Write a notice for the school notice board inviting names of the students willing to participate. You are Sudhir, the secretary of the society. Answer is here. It should be actually, there should be some border like this, but it is not here. Cultural society, ABC school, Bhopal, notice. Opportunity for, what is that? Budding artists. Okay, date is here. And you know, for all these things, you will get 2 marks. And for this one, 2 marks. What is this? This is a body. And this one, okay, for this one, you will get 1 more mark. Now, let us see. The talented students are invited to submit their names for musical evening to be held on 21st August in the school open air theatre from 6 p.m. onwards. Okay, light vocal music is there, solo, this is single participation. Group song is also available, and a classical dance performance for solo is there. Bharatanatyam, not Bharatanatyam, like that you can perform. Okay, group dance is also available. Contact the undersigned before 16th August. Whom you have to contact? Sudhir. Who is this Sudhir? Yes, Secretary Cultural Society of this ABC School Bhopal. Now let us go and see one question as well as the answer. You are David. Oh, you are David. David 1, Dorothy, the secretary of the Dance and Drama Society of the what is that? Sanskriti School Patna. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting students to give their names for a fancy dress competition. You have seen all this one. You just take a look at this one, how the notice is. Let us go and see one more notice. Shall we? Okay, look at this one. This is a, who is this? Jawahar Nagar Public School, Varanasi, Annual Sports Day notice. So same, students are invited to submit their names for participating. All these are school notices. Let us see one more. You are a sports captain of King's Public School. This is about sports notice. Okay, do you understand? This is about sports notice. How sports are specially conducted for so and so date from so and so. Okay, all these things are here. Let us go and see one more notice. Shall we see? You are the secretary of Modern Flats Welfare Association, Bangalore. This is not from our school. This is another one. Let us see. You are the secretary of Modern Flats Welfare Association, Bangalore. Write a notice to be circulated to the members of the association, requesting them to attend the meeting to discuss the parking of the vehicles of the residents. So they are parking helter-skelter. So that's why they decided to have a meeting. Modern Flats Welfare Association, Bangalore notice. A meeting of the members of the association will be held on Sunday, the 10th December, so and so at 3 p.m. in the association community center to discuss the arrangements to be made for the parking of the vehicles of the residents to ensure safety as well as convenience. All the members are requested to attend. See how simply the notice is and whom you have to meet. Okay, who is giving this notice is given. Neeraja Sood, Secretary, MFWA. What is MFWA? Modern Flats Welfare Association. Do you understand, my dear students? Let us go and see one more. I am giving plenty of number of examples so that you will be, yes, you will be imprinted in your brain how to write the notice. An inter-school kabaddi competition. There is a school kabaddi competition is going on. Write a notice in not more than 50 words requesting the students to be present at the venue to encourage the players. Invent all the necessary details. You are Arjun. Who are you? Arjun. What is your designation? A sports captain of your school. Look at this one. Arjun is giving a notice. Arjun, sports captain, school. Okay. This is the title. This is the date and so on. An inter-school kabaddi competition is going to be held on so and so date at the so and so time in the school playground. The students who want to participate in the competition may enroll their names along with their details till December of this to the sports secretary. All the students are requested to be present at the venue to cheer up the participants. For further details, contact the person undersigned Arjun. Who is this Arjun? Sports captain. Do you understand, my dear students? Let us go. Okay, let us go and see once the, what is that? Look at this one. Then we will close how to write this notice. Look at this one. So once again I am repeating, for this one title you are having 1 mark, and for this date and notice writing there is 1 mark. Totally for this title, for this notice the word, for this date and for this title you are having nearly 2 marks. Okay, for this layout as well, for this layout as well, this also will come under this one, layout. Okay, title, the word notice, date as well as the program name will carry 2 marks, and what is this, body of the notice takes 2 marks, and the leave taking, who is giving this notice, for this designation person issuing the notice will be given 1 mark. My dear students and my dear friends, this is a very simple way of gaining marks in notice writing. I will come with the another topic in the next day. Thank you. Anyway, nice meeting you. Nice talking to you. Bye.